Good morning. Calendar week 23. The war on slugs and lots of gardening. All agriculture, self-sufficient vegetable growing, backyard gardening, balcony tomato raising or allotmenting is a process of replacing nature with the unnatural. Persuading plants which do not want to grow in a certain place to grow there, and the reclassification of those which do as weeds. The best we can hope to do is to create diverse and sustainable new habitats, but we should not try to convince ourselves that we are not exerting our human tool-grasping power in the destructive subsumation of the natural world into our unnatural but productive one. We don't need to beat ourselves up too badly about it, though. It can be done consciously and responsibly. Gardening with respect and humility is a good thing for the human, and the creation of aware humans sensitive to their place in the panoply of all things, minimising their destructive nature and placing themselves within the scope of Gaia is a good thing for the world. Except slugs. Screw those disembodied feet, those disemfeated toes of slime and destruction. We are at war with slugs. It's them or us, a fight to the end. An extinction-level event for those sputum-filled gastropods, s'il vous plaît, bring it. And we are winning. We have lost 1 lettuce and 3 optimistically early planted courgettes to the mucus bastards, and we intend to lose no more. For the squeamish amongst you, I will say that I get up early and remove them from the vegetable garden, relocating them to a better place. For the more truthfully minded, the relocation is from this plane of existence to the next, via the soul of my massive slug soul-crushing 48s. In the last few days, the average size of putrefying snail evictees has shrunk from medium-sized Havana to a small horned train of tic-tacs. I believe we are now smashing their young, and within the week there will be no more. Spontaneous generation aside. In other news, last week the wigwams, the beanpole wigwams, went up and got planted. I think I filled the pumpkin patch, but that might have been the week before. And the vineyard, still very far from an exemplary growing area, got a small amount of attention. This week we'll be planting and sowing as if our lives depended on it, which they kind of do, but with the constant thought of can I feed the collapsed laboratory in the back of my mind. I think I can, but there is an unmeasurable amount of work to be inserted into the finite amount of time between now and then. We shall persevere. Until then, please, I always ask you to take care of each other. I do mean it. Your loving pirate. XO.